Hi there, everyone. Meteorologist Rusty Dawkins with KLKN Channel 8 looking for snowfall. And we're getting into December, so usually models, the two that we're looking at in particular, are going to pick up on snow at some point, and sometimes they overdo it a little bit, and I'm going to show you an example of that. But I'm going to be doing this all winter, so please subscribe, hit the little bell so everything notifies you when I post a new one. That really helps. Comment if you want. I can answer some questions. All that good stuff that YouTubers are always asking me to do. So here we go. Here's where we're at. This is model number 1, 9 a.m. December 6th. I'm recording this December 5th in the evening hours, so let's move forward. First chance for snowfall is about right. Well, it's going to be Thursday. This is going to be, by the way, I'm doing a couple of different things here. I'm going to show you the rain snow mix potential, and then how much snow that model says is going to happen. So this is the rain snow potential for model 1. Rain starts to move in Thursday morning, and then it turns into a rain snow mix for central Nebraska and just rain for eastern Nebraska. And then the snow tries to push east, doesn't quite make it. And then it looks like rain for Lincoln and Omaha and snow for north central Nebraska, and then it's gone. So that's one wave. Here's we're Saturday 4 a.m. or this is Sunday 4 a.m. This is a rain possibly mixing with snow. The temperature is going to vary a little bit, and it's going to be really, really close because you can see that snow off to the north. So that's a Sunday thing. And then another Monday afternoon. And again, some of these may not even happen. That's why we watch these on a day-to-day basis, just to see if there's any true, like if they keep showing up over and over again, like if they show up day 7, then day 6, then day 5, and then closer and closer and closer, then all right, probably going to snow. Western Nebraska, chance for snow Monday afternoon, rain for northeast Nebraska, and then that kind of stays rain for eastern Nebraska Monday night, and snow for north central Nebraska, and that's it. So how much snow is this model putting out for each one of those snowstorms? So it could rain. That's not going to show up on here, just the snow. And this is that first wave, December 8th, Thursday afternoon. Could see an inch or two, maybe a little bit more in these darker shaded areas, like maybe 3 or 4 inches. That might be overdoing it just a little bit with this, how warm things are going to be. So that's it for that one. Then let's take a look. I think it was Sunday. Yeah, there's the next one. Not much. Not even an inch of snow, so that one doesn't amount to a whole lot. This is 9 a.m. Monday, and that's it. So that's it for that snowfall potential. Not a huge snowmaker out of any of those on model number 1. This is model number 2. This one gets really interesting about 7 to 10 days out, which is usually when they start to kind of go a little crazy. 3 a.m. Wednesday, a little rain snow mix in south central Nebraska, probably not going to amount to much. Here's the next wave. This is Thursday morning, and we've been watching this. This one might actually happen where there's rain over here, rain snow mix, and then some snow in the western half, and that may transition over to some snow as we head through into Thursday evening. That'll be a fun one to watch. And then as we get get towards the weekend, pretty quiet. There's Saturday, there's Sunday, and then I was watching this earlier. Okay, it starts off as like a rain snow mix Sunday. Now keep in mind this is 6 or 7 days out, and it just has rain and snow changing over to all snow eventually, and it just keeps coming and coming. So this keeps going through Tuesday into Wednesday. So I mean, this is a long duration event according to this model. That usually doesn't happen. So I'm going to show you anyway, just to kind of give you a feel for what these models can do. So if you see something posted by somebody else on social media channels saying, we're going to get huge snow towards the middle of December, well, this is why people are trying to say that. So here's that first snow potential. This one, maybe 2, 3, maybe 4 inches in central Nebraska. This is that Thursday morning into the evening hours. I could see that happening. 3 or 4 inches of snow, that very well could happen. And then we go into the weekend, very quiet, nothing really happening. Sunday, okay, here comes that that event that is a solid week away. It says 1 to 2 inches already by Monday morning, and then another 4, 5, 6 inches to the west, another half an inch to the east, and it just keeps going. There's another 2, 3, 4 inches. I mean, look in Nebraska City, a foot, and that's not going to happen. But I mean, what this is telling us is that there's a good potential for moisture and cold air. How much snow we're going to see stands. We'll just keep an eye on it. So Tuesday morning, temperatures are looking like this: teens and 20s. High temperatures by Tuesday afternoon, only in the lower and middle in 40s. So snowfall potential is going to be. We'll keep an eye on that week to 7 or 8 days out and see if that continues to show, because it could be our first real decent snow of the year or not. So that's what we'll keep an eye on. Thanks for watching. Remember, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and we'll talk again tomorrow.